Hey guys, in this video I will be talking about text formatting in CSS. Now in my previous videos I used the color property over here as an example to show you, for example, the 3 ways in which we can insert CSS into HTML and so on. However, I haven't gone into much details about the CSS property itself, so in this video I will be talking about the color property and the text align property in CSS. Now over here we have 3 tags, the h1 tag and 2 peak tags with 3 IDs, green, blue and red. Now within our style tags we have 3 selectors, green, blue and red, and within that we have 3 properties with no declarations yet. Excuse me. Now in CSS there are 3 ways in which we can specify the color of that CSS property. The first one being the one I used in my previous videos, just writing the name of the color. So for example, green, and I save my work and refresh. There we go, easy. However, there's in in your website you want loads of different colors like the one you see in the sample, and there's not when you're using the name method there's not much variation. You can have red, blue, black, white, green, but you can't really have, for example, ghost white or white smoke as a color. So the other one we use is called RGB. RGB stands for red, green and blue, and basically we have 3 numbers over here ranging from 0 to 255. Now each number represents a specific color: red for here, blue, green for here and blue for here. And for example, when we have 255 of blue and 0 of red and green, let's save this work and go refresh, we get a blue. Exactly the same if we have 255 for red and 00 here, we get red, and so on. Now in order to see the specific numbers for each RGB code for the color, you can just simply Google RGB colors, and there we go. Below RGB code we can see all the color, all the numbers, and we can see the sample. There's loads. Now the third one, it's similar to RGB but a bit different. Sorry, and it's called Hex Value. Now Hex Values, we type in this hash sharp music sign, hash, I'll call it hash for now, sign, and we write 0 number / letter, number being between 0 and 9 and letter being between A and F. Now 00000 means black in hex, and F means white in hex, and in between that there's loads of different colors over here. Now as you can see it says hex, and for example midnight blue, which is this color, has a hex value of 191970, and light state blue over here has a hex value of 8470FF. Now I want to find red, which is red. There we go, FF0000. So I type in FF0000, save my work, go to my website and refresh. There we go, the color is red. So that's the 3 ways in which we can specify the color in our color property using using the name, the RGB or the hex value. Now the last thing I want to talk about in this video before it gets too long is about text alignment. Now let's give h1 another no, let's not. Now let's say we want this is the website to be in the middle, like in most websites where the headline is in the middle. or the title is in the middle. Now what we could do is, because H1 has an ID of green, go to green and then use a text align property, which is text align, and we can give it a value or a declaration. Text align is center. Now let's save our work and refresh. There we go. Text align property changes the position of that specific text. Now there's 3 text align properties, center, or there's more than 3, but then in general there's 3 which I use. There's center, right, and left. And left is by default, so you don't really have to use it unless you've got some weird CSS website structure. But for now, let's use right as well. So I want to change this is a paragraph text, and pull it to the right. So over here in the blue CSS bit, where the ID is blue, I write text align is right. That's it. And save our work and refresh. There we go. Our text is now on the right. And if we make our browser screen bigger, the position of the text will change, because it will always be either in the center or the right relative to that current browser size. There we go. So that was a quick video on text formatting using the text color property and the text align property. In the next video I will be talking about another text formatting properties, which is text declaration and text transformation. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.